Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Herbert and today I am going to be showing you how to schedule a class within Tnet. So first you're going to start off by going to tnet.transy.edu. You will then log in with your student ID and you will click Students, and then under the academic profile you will then click My Schedule. Once this opens up, you will then see classes that you are currently enrolled in or upcoming classes, or if you are an incoming student, you will just see a blank screen with the upcoming semester. Next, the first thing that you want to do to start scheduling classes is go to the My Progress tab. Within this tab, you can view your current progress of class credit and your total credits that you have had at Transy. You can also view your cumulative GPA, your total GPA, your majors and minors, and your anticipated graduation date. At Transy, each student is required 36 credits before graduating. That allows 4 classes per semester and 1 class each May term. 9 credits for 4 years is 36 credits. The difficult part about scheduling classes is all the general ed requirements all students must take. The nice thing is that Transy doesn't allow students to declare their major until sophomore year, so they can take a wide variety of general ed courses before making any decisions. Within Tnet, it lays out all the different requirements based on skill level. The general route is taking the easiest level courses in your first few semesters. My advice that has worked well for me is taking 2 courses that you would feel confident in and 2 courses that are out of your comfort zone each semester. Instead of taking 4 harder courses at once, this allows you to have a balance and confidence in your grades. If you are already a current student at Transy and just don't know which courses you should take, then taking a look at your My Progress page will lead you exactly to where you need to be. As you can see, I have already been a student for almost 3 years now and have completed most of the required courses. The breakdown of courses required at Transy are areas 1 through 5, and a completion of your major course requirements. Area 1 covers both first year seminar and first year research seminar, as well as a math credit and a completion of a foreign language. Area 2 covers humanities, fine arts, natural science, and social science. Under each category, it will tell you if you have completed it or not. If you have not completed it, just like I have not completed my social science credit, then you can click search, which will take you to a list of courses that cover that requirement. Area 3 covers cultural traditions, which brings a much diverse characteristic to our education. It splits the topic into 2 different categories and has lists of classes offered. Area 4 requirements cover 2 major pathways. Other than your major that you have already declared, you will pick 2 major pathways to complete 2 courses in. This is nice for students who decide to pursue a minor because these courses count for one of the 2 pathways in Area 4. For example, I am a business administration major, and that means I cannot take any business classes that will count for my Area 4 credit. I have completed Spanish and economics for my 2 pairs. Area 5 means it is a writing intensive course, but this course cannot be inside of your major that you have already declared. Many students take their Area 4 and Area 5 classes during their junior and senior years, along with their major courses. As you can see, if you have not completed a requirement but have scheduled it to your course timeline, then it appears on your progress as registered or planned. After you go through the general requirements, you can see the required courses for your major or minor and your progress if you have already declared. Throughout the My Progress page, you can keep track of all the courses that you must take within your 4 years and start to get an idea of what each semester can look like. When you search for a course, just like I need to search for a course for my social science, when you search for a course that you need to take, it is helpful to talk to people that may have taken those before. I know that I was grateful to have had someone that has already gone through this process to help me out. This is why I've decided to make this video. Once you click to search for a course, you can browse through the offered courses in the upcoming semesters, and once you find one that fits with your interests and other class times, you can add it to your schedule. In the left-hand column, you can filter these based on the upcoming semesters or days of the week or just overall category of the class. You can then click on the class and view the available class times and add it to your schedule. This will be viewed in the Plan and Schedule tab. Through this tab, you can view the classes you're already enrolled in and your upcoming classes scheduled. You can also click on the Timeline tab and plan courses that you would like to take each semester until you graduate. Some people are able to take all their major courses and their general requirements and still have 1 or 2 credits left to fill. This allows students to have opportunities to take extra courses they may be interested in, or take a travel course, or even do an internship for a course credit. The most important tip I could give is always keeping a list of the courses you need to take within that year or even before you graduate. If you also have heard of courses that you would like to take and see if you can fit them in your schedule, you should also keep a list of those. Having a good advisor is also a very important thing to have, because if you have a good relationship with them, then they can better understand the path that you would like to take. They will also give you their best personal advice. I hope you guys have learned something from this video today and to better help you next time you are going to schedule your classes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.